Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's pitch black outside. I have to put the flashlight on. It's pitch black in this room, guys. It's pitch black in here, guys. It's like night time. It's like the middle of the night, guys, and we are not sleeping. The light is shining into the. We're not sleeping. It's in the middle of the night. And welcome back.